Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Erika from Barbie as the princess and the Pauper and dress the dress without VIP. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, to make the process faster, I'm going to immediately show you all the items you need to choose to create this look. The first one for the hairstyle, you can choose this one, and then you're going to make it this color, and then put on this flower crown. You're going to make it this color, blue and pink, and then you're going to do a little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate and scale. Alright, and then for the heels, you can choose these heels and make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then for the top, you're going to choose this one. This is from the World Culture Update, and then you're going to make it this color, and then you're going to make it glitter. Alright, and then for the sleeves, choose this dress and you can choose only sleeves. This one guys, and then for the color you're going to make it blue and pink, and then again make it glitter, and then you can put on the skirt. You're going to remove the layer, and then for this skirt you're going to make it blue and make it glitter, and then the skirt from the World Culture Update, you're going to make it blue and make it glitter. And then this dress, you're going to choose only skirt and make it blue for this first selection and also the second selection, for the third selection as well, and then you're going to make it glitter. And this skirt, choose only skirt, and then you're going to make it blue and make it glitter. Okay, and after you have all these items, you will create this Erika look. That's so gorgeous, even without VIP. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!